Welcome to Cabo.
This is my family, Anders, Amelia, and Aaron. We're on vacation right now in Cabo, and this morning we got up early and drove 2.5 hours up to a town called La Paz, and we are about to go on a boat and head out and see some whale sharks. You gonna swim with the whale sharks?
Yeah.
How about you, Amelia?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mommy?
I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared though.
You're a little scared?
But
Okay.
Spider-Man's never scared.
Spider-Man's never scared, so you're never scared, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are we ready to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Bye.
Kind of scared? It's okay to be scared. Okay? I'll have you safe the whole time, okay? Okay.
What if the water's cold?
Oh, it'll be a little cold, but it'll be okay. Are you scared of the water?
No, I'm scared of the show.
Hey guys, jump, jump.
It's cold.
Put your snorkel on. It's okay. It's okay. Put your snorkel on. Put your snorkel on, okay? Okay. Yeah. Are you okay? It's too cold. Okay, we'll go back at the boat and we'll try it again, okay? It's okay, buddy.
Okay, buddy. No,
Wait,
but
Will that be
maybe
good?
you can get to see it from the boat, and that way you don't have to go in if you don't want to. It's up to
Okay.
you.
It's up to you, buddy.
Okay.
We only have a couple chances though to go see it, okay? And it's only gonna be cold just for a minute. Okay? I know you're cold, but we'll be okay. I'll hold you tight when we get out so I warm you up, okay? This is a once in a lifetime thing. Be really brave just for a second, okay? It is scary, but you can be really brave just for a second. I'll be with you the whole time, okay? I'll hold your hand. Did you see it? Yeah. Was that awesome? Are you proud of yourself? You should be. That was so cool. All right. Good job, sweetheart.
That was awesome.
Wasn't that awesome? That was a big whale, wasn't it?
Thank you for
You are brave enough, okay? Hey, let's try it once. Okay? Amelia's gonna take a break. She saw it twice. I want you to at least see it, buddy, okay? So let's try it once. We'll only, you see how short we're in the water? We're only in the water for a minute, okay? Okay, buddy? Let's try it. I'll hold you right by me, okay? And then when we get back, you don't have to do it anymore. Okay? All right. I got you with me, okay? I'll hold you close. Put your mask down in the water. Go see it. Was that awesome? Great job! Are you so glad you did it? Awesome! I'm proud of you, buddy. You did great. Oh, yes.
Well done.
It's a little cold.
Yeah, but you did it.
You did it. You were brave.
You're so good, buddy. Amelia, are you glad you went? You know what that means? You're full of bravery and courage. right? And now you know that. Okay? So anytime you have to do something scary, you can think about it and know that you're full of bravery and courage. All right? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See ya.